Assalamu alaikum dear student, this is Dr. Zahid Nazir. Dear students, today we will discuss about the explanation of practice sheet 1, practice sheet 2 as well as the weekly test. The practice sheet 1, introduction to biology and major branches. Question number 1, blood provides O2 and nutrients to our body. It is studied as option A, hematology, option B, nephrology, option C, cardiology, option D, serology. So study of blood is also called as the hematology. बेटा देखिए इसमें हम function of blood as well as the disease and disorder of the blood, that is also we studied in hematology. So answer A should be correct. Question number 2, it concerns with the function of tissues, organ and organ systems. You know very well, we will discuss in previous lecture, in first lecture, functional study called as physiology. So answer A should be the correct. Then question number 3, all are true about plantology except, means all answer option will be correct except one. So option A, remote lives, option B, fossil record, option C, live in rocky region, option D, remnants of living beings. So you know very well the question number, the option number C is the correct. Option C is the correct because fossil record, remote lives and remnants, all concerned with the remote lives are, we can say that plantology. So not lives are not the live living beings. That's why option C should be the correct. Then option number 4, birds are flying in the sky and they are studied as. So you know very well, the option A, pomology, option B, histology, option C, physiology, option D, ornithology. The study of birds we have discussed in first lecture, the ornithology. The question number 5, all living beings are composed of cell, as cell is the basic unit of life it concerned with. So while we discuss about the cell structure as well as cell as a basic unit of life, the option A, cell biology, options B, cytology, option C, histology, option D, both A and B. So cell biology is also called as cytology. So option C should be the correct. Then you know very well the question number 6, Mr. Ahmed and Adnan having blue eyes, brown hairs, it is due to A, genetics, B option, cell composition, C, function of tissues, D, none of these. तो you know very well वो कैरेक्टर जिन्हें हम इनहेरिटेंशियल कहते हैं, जिनकी कंसर्निंग जीन से होती है, लाइक स्किन कलर, इंटेलिजेंसी, हमारी हाइट, वॉइस एज वेल एज अदर फिजियोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स दैट कंसर्न विद द जीन्स एंड स्टडी ऑफ जीन इज जेनेटिक्स. सो ऑप्शन A should be correct. Question number 7, group of similar cells for specific function. You know very well, जब cells मिलते हैं तो टिश्यू बनते हैं, तो स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन के लिए जब सेल इकट्ठे होंगे तो ऑप्शन यहां पर हम ढूंढेंगे कि क्या है. ऑप्शन A, टिश्यूज, B, ऑर्गन, C, ऑर्गन सिस्टम, D, ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो ऑप्शन A should be correct as tissue. Okay. Then question number 8, study of muscles is called as option A, microbiology, B, myology, C, histology, D, genetics. तो you know very well the study of muscles called myology. ये आपके चैप्टर नंबर 2 में आपको मसल्स पढ़ा जाता है इंटर क्लास में, तो मसल्स की स्टडी को मायोलॉजी कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, रेस्पिरेशन, nutrition, reproduction, movement and protection is the characteristics and feature of. So you know very well these are the characteristics and feature of life. ये किसके कैरेक्टर हैं? ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स, यानी कि जो कैरेक्टर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, रेस्पिरेशन, न्यूट्रिशन, रिप्रोडक्शन, मूवमेंट, प्रोटेक्शन, दीज आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ लाइफ. और ऑप्शन है हमारे पास, द ऑप्शन इज A, एनिमल्स, B, प्लांट्स, C, बैक्टीरिया, D, ऑल ऑफ these all are lives, living beings. So answer D should be the correct. Then question number 10, bacteria can be studied as. तो you know very well study of bacteria. In previous lecture we have discussed in first lecture the bacteriology, so answer should be B. Question number 11. COVID-19 is a serious problem, serious pandemic issue for whole world that can be studied in which branch of biology? So you know very well COVID-19 is a virus, so study of virus is called virology, so option A should be correct. तो COVID-19 के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताता जाऊं. COVID-19 COVID and 19 means the C for China, O for originated, V for virus, I for identified, D for death and in 19 days. So हम इसको जो एब्रीवेट जब करते हैं तो याद रखिएगा, तो चाइना ओरिजिनेटेड वायरस आइडेंटिफाइड डेथ इन 19 डेज. सो वायरस की स्टडी को हम नाम देते हैं वायरोलॉजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ऑल ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट्स सच एज एवोल्यूशन, एनाटॉमी, हिस्टोलॉजी आर कलेक्टिवली नोन एज. तो जब हम ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट्स की स्टडी करते हैं, हम फर्स्ट ईयर ब्रांचेस ऑफ बायोलॉजी में पढ़ चुके हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमन बायोलॉजी. सो आंसर बी शुड बी द करेक्ट. एंटीबायोटिक्स, वैक्सीन्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द लेबोरेटरी इज ड्यू टू. तो यू नो वेरी वेल जितनी भी टेक्निक्स, जितनी भी न्यू रिसर्चेज होती हैं, नई टेक्निक्स हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं इन द फील्ड ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, इन द फील्ड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, इन द फील्ड ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल साइंसेज, दैट इज ड्यू टू द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. सो आंसर डी शुड बी द करेक्ट. देन साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ लिविंग बीइंग्स एज प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड माइक्रोब्स. So all our lives, all are living beings. So study should be the biology. Answer should be A. The question number D, 15. The DNA duplex having sequence of genes as specific molecules and genes are studied as. You know very well study of genes, that is called genetics. So answer A should be the correct. That is called as the genetics. Question number 16. Series of changes occurring from zygote to adult are associated with. So you know very well the series from zygote to adult, that is the option A embryology, that is also called embryology. Option B developmental biology, because the series of changes are from zygote to adult, that is called developmental biology. So answer C should be correct. The scientific study of fungus we have discussed in major branches, that is called mycology. Very simple. Question number 18. It deals with the identification, classification and naming of living organism. So you know very well identification, classification and the namings concerned with the taxonomy. आप छोटी क्लासेस में स्पेशली 9th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा होगा, टैक्सोनॉमी कहते हैं. देन हमारे पास इट डील्स विद द एब्नॉर्मल फंक्शन ऑफ सेल, टिश्यूज, ऑर्गन or body. Abnormal function, you know very well abnormal function concerned with the disease. तो disease जब हम abnormal function की बात करते हैं, that means बीमारी यानी disease का नाम देते हैं, और disease की study को हम नाम देते हैं what? Pathology. Option C should be the correct. The question number 20 is ticks, mites, lice are parasite and can be studied. तो ये सारे पैरासाइट्स हैं, टिक्स भी, माइट्स भी, एज वेल एज लाइस. थोड़ा सा यहाँ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, इसको करेक्ट किया जाए. सी लाइस. ओके. सो द स्टडी यू नो वेरी वेल पैरासाइट्स को हम डील करते हैं इन पैरासिटोलॉजी स्पेशली. नाइदर माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, नाइदर पैथोलॉजी और नाइदर डी ऑप्शन, नन ऑफ दीज. आंसर शुड बी द पैरासिटोलॉजी. ओके.